Welcome to Timberland. Today, we are in a secluded mountain forest of North America, where a father and daughter are embarking on a journey to build their dream cabin. Join us as we witness how precision and hard work transform a wild land into a magical sanctuary. To strengthen the cabin's foundation, the father and daughter are placing sonotubes and filling them with wet concrete from a wheelbarrow. Each pillar is being perfectly leveled to provide a strong and permanent base for the entire structure on the hillside. The main floor joists are now being systematically arranged over the cabin's pillars. After positioning each plank with precise measurements, they are being secured firmly with a pneumatic nail gun to ensure an exceptionally strong and long-lasting base for the house. Strong construction adhesive is being meticulously applied over the floor joists, followed by laying large plywood sheets directly on top of the frame. A pneumatic nail gun is then used to firmly fasten each sheet, creating an exceptionally strong, level, and squeak-free permanent floor for the cabin. After completing the floor, the wall frames of the cabin are now being lifted and stood upright one by one. By carefully positioning these large, heavy wooden sections, a major milestone is reached as the house's main structure begins to take shape. The main beams or headers are now being carefully placed atop the long pillars for the cabin's upper section. After lifting the beam into the correct position, it is being secured firmly with screws using a drill machine, creating a strong and balanced structure to bear the weight of the cabin's loft or roof. After building the cabin walls, the main structural frame, or triangular rafters of the roof, are being carefully constructed with wooden laths placed in rows. Durable metal sheets are then laid over this sturdy structure, one by one, to complete the roof, providing permanent protection from rainwater and a stunning look to the house. The window opening is first being carefully cleaned and prepared from the inside, followed by the precise installation of a modern double-pane window from the outside. Through a coordinated effort from both sides, the window is set into its correct position and secured firmly, ensuring plenty of natural light and ventilation for the cabin. To enhance the cabin's exterior beauty and durability, wooden siding boards are now being carefully installed on the walls in an overlapping manner. Along with aligning each board perfectly, a special sealant or adhesive is applied to the joints to keep the house fully protected from rainwater and wind while providing a stunning natural look. Inside the cabin, finishing work is progressing rapidly with meticulous attention to detail. Electrical wiring and junction boxes are being carefully installed on the roof beams to ensure a modern power and lighting system for the future. Meanwhile, the wooden framing around the windows is being reinforced with a nail gun, making the house safe and perfect in every aspect. Pine wood paneling is now being installed on the walls and ceiling of the cabin, skillfully completed using ladders and scaffolding. Each plank is meticulously aligned over the insulation and secured with a nail gun, giving the house a comfortable, modern, and elegant natural look. The interior work of the cabin is now moving towards the final floor finishing. Modern laminate wood planks are being precisely installed over the subfloor of the upper level. Yellow spacers are being used to maintain the correct distance from the wall, ensuring the necessary space for the wood's natural expansion. Each plank is being skillfully locked together to give the room a complete, tidy, and cozy look. The installation of laminate wood planks on the cabin's main floor is being skillfully carried out. Each plank is perfectly fitted together using a tapping block and hammer to ensure a seamless joint. A wheeled kneeling board is being used to facilitate easy movement, significantly enhancing both speed and comfort during the process. Set against the pine-paneled walls and the wood stove in the corner, this new flooring gives the room a magnificent aesthetic and a truly cozy feel. To enhance the cabin's interior beauty and functionality, a wonderful sliding barn door is being handcrafted and installed. First, the sliding hardware is precisely attached to the door using a drill on the floor, and then it is carefully hung on the sturdy black metal track, perfectly complementing the pine walls with a modern and aesthetic touch. Finishing work is now underway in the cabin's loft. Wooden trim is being precisely attached to the floor edges using a power nailer, and a sturdy railing is being constructed by installing modern black metal spindles for safety. This detailed craftsmanship will not only keep the room secure, but also significantly enhance its interior aesthetic beauty. That's all for today. Don't forget to let us know in the comments how you like this dream cabin built by the father and daughter. To join us on this exciting journey, subscribe to Timberland. See you in the next video with another amazing build.